my face! Oh my gosh, you're so shallow. I need an applicator brush. What could I even do with these scissors? Wait a second. I can't believe I just did that! I'll use this pencil as a handle. Perfect! Now for some powder. Huh. Where did she get that brush? You're free to go in. Let's see if you're trying to sneak in any makeup. I knew it! Whiteout, you can keep that. But nail polish is strictly prohibited! Go on, get out of here! She's so mean! Wait a second. I think I have an idea. Yeah, I think this could work. Okay, I'll open the whiteout. And then I'll pour it in this bowl. I'll set this aside. And now for my nail polish. I'll just carefully pour it into the whiteout bottle. There it goes. I really like this color. That should be enough. Now I'll just put the applicator back in. There! I'm done! No way she'll notice. Hey, how's it going? Now's my chance. Time to paint my nails. Yep, I was right about this color. Whoa! Where'd you get that? I snuck it in. What's that smell? It's just whiteout. Space is vast. Oh, I should check my makeup. The teacher is right there! He'll totally confiscate any makeup you have. Like he can even see anything with those glasses.
What's that? Is that makeup? Let me clean my glasses. Oh, it is makeup. That is not allowed. Bringing makeup into my class. You, student, makeup is forbidden in this class. I'll be taking this, and you need to leave.
Unbelievable! Fine! I warned her. Urgh! I can't believe it! Teacher of the century? Yeah, right. Maybe as old as a century. Time to teach him a lesson. How does he like that? Oh, I think I just got a genius idea. I'll just take this marker and open the end. Then I'll use some tweezers to pull out the ink. And now I'll put the end cap back on. And then I'll remove the marker tip too. Just pull it right out. Now I'll need my lip gloss in a bowl. I'll pour it all into the bowl. Then I'll use a syringe to collect some of it. That should be enough. Now I'll put it into the marker. There! Done! Next up, the applicator. I'll just snap it off. Good thing I have this bottle of nail glue. I'll paint the broken end. Okay, the glue is ready. Now I'll stick it to the marker cap. There, it's dry. I can put it into the tube. I'll just use my lip gloss. I really love how it smells. What are you doing? You're gonna get in trouble again.
Huh? What's going on over there?
Oh, this? It's just a marker, sir. Surely that's allowed in class?
Yes, yes.
Here's my bag for you to search. Let me see. Alright. You're fine. Go inside. Stop right there. Let me check you out. Oh, what is that? Code Red, we have a situation! Take him out of here! Trying to sneak that makeup on his cheek into class. Now for my makeup. I need to touch up my lipstick. I used it up kissing that cute cheek. Much better. Hey, what do you think? Looks good. Where did you get it? Ta-da! Lipstick shoes! Here, give it a try. Just gonna drop off some of my books. Ooh, better check on my makeup. My face broke out! I can't believe this! Makeup will fix this situation. Shoot! The bell! Class is starting! I'll just have to bring this foundation with. Oh no! What am I gonna do? I'll sneak it in. Can she see me? Oh no! Must have been nothing. Just gotta reach my desk. Is the coast clear? Yes! I made it! Now to fix my face. Ahem! What do you think you're doing? Hand it over. But I just need to fix my face. I don't care. Hand it over. Here. Ugh, my life is over! Hey, don't cry. I can help. A glue stick? How will this help? Just open it. Trust me. What? This is concealer! How is this even possible? I made it. It was easy. I started with a glue stick, obviously, and I just removed the actual glue. Then I needed my tube of concealer. I used a knife to cut it off. A plastic knife is fine and it's safer. Then I just put it into the glue tube. I needed to push it in to secure it. And that was it! You're a genius! Now I can finally cover these zits. Girls, what's going on back here? Okay, keep up the good work. Stop right there. No makeup allowed. Clean it off your face. No! My beautiful face! You're fine. Now enjoy class. She's the absolute worst! Oh, I look so terrible! Time to break out the emergency supplies. There. That's much better. Hey! Look at her! She's got makeup! I'm so jealous! What? No makeup? Ugh, that's the worst. I better put it in my locker. And get my books for class. Ugh, so many books. No! I dropped them! Huh. Look at that. Money! Lucky! Wait a second. I think I've got an idea. I need a thick book. And scissors because I need to make some cuts. What a cute heart! It's a perfect fit for my compact. I've got all these other colors too. They're so sparkly and pretty. I'll just stick them on the page too. I'll need these little mirrors too. It's so pretty! And I'm done! Alright, time for class! Hey, you look great! Time for some makeup. Who needs an applicator? Fingers work just fine. Can't forget the eyes. I feel so much better. Wow. I'm pretty jealous. Can I borrow it? Thanks so much! How would you sneak makeup into class? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more great videos like this one!